edition of What We're Cooking. I'm Al.
I'm Nick.
You got your mouthful of cheese that your mom just gave you, but it's okay. Anyway, so we are making something about as simple as it gets. We're making pork chops. What is this here, Nick?
Asparagus.
Very good. And Mom already has some roasted potatoes, sweet potatoes in the oven. So, here we go. So we've got 3 nice thick pork chops. It's, you can't go wrong with a good pork chop. And so we're just going to basically put some olive oil on them. And while we're at it, put some olive oil over on the asparagus. And it's going to be a very simple treatment. We're just going to, little salt. You like the pork chop, Nick?
I like the pork chop. How about you, Mom?
I love pork chop. Well, actually, I like pork chops pretty well.
Mom's not crazy about it. That's why we don't normally make them. So we've salted and peppered both sides. Now in on a very hot skillet.
And now we're going to add the scallions.
We're going to wait for that.
Oh, okay.
I've turned the pork chops over a couple of times, taken them out to let them rest for a little bit. And now I'm going to take these scallions that I've cut and trimmed. I added a tablespoon of butter. And now I'm just going to cook these up so they're soft. So the pork chops are simmering. They're getting ready. I've heated up the skillet. Now I'm going to put the asparagus right here. Grill them up on a cast iron grill. There you have it. Our pan-seared pork chops, oven-top grilled asparagus.
It's sweet potatoes made by my mom.
There you go. And that's what we're having for dinner. I'm Al.
I'm Nick. And she's Deborah Roberts. That's a wrap.